Hi Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your weekly reading from 28th till 4th of October. Alright, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you for the coming week. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see what is there for my Scorpions in the coming week from 28th September till 4th of October. Okay, Scorpios, please. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies over here. So let's see what is there. Okay. Alright, so at the back of the deck, it's the Three of Pentacles for you. So the overall energy over here is telling me that, you know, you are in a process where you are working hard, where you are deep inside that process and you are working for it to happen for you. You are just working hard and you are working within yourself. This is a growth. See how beautiful this card is. So how these two ladies, they are working, they are giving their time and devotion and efforts to certain work which they are doing, and this is a collective work. So might be there is someone with you who is actually helping you with this thing, whatever, you know, you might be even into your mind therapy, you might be involved in some kind of a therapy where you could balance your environment around you, your heart and your mind. You are into that stuff over here. The past energies are the High Priestess, the Wheel of Fortune and Five of Wands. Yeah, something majorly shifted in the past. It was like, you know, from starting from a petty issues, when things really start getting higher and higher in your relationship or anything. So you were involved in some small petty fights and it actually took a big turn of events, a big turn of your life, and you never knew that this thing will happen because it was secretive. It was like you thought that it was not meant to be, whatever happened with you in the past. Okay, so your present energies, the Hermit, Temperance and Star, all the three major arcanas over here. Yes, you are going through the process, you are working hard for this thing. It's like you are giving your time, you are giving your efforts, everything, and you are alone because you want this thing to happen just within the boundaries where you actually want this thing to happen, Scorpios. Yeah, it's really good, but it's something which you never thought that this thing will happen anytime, anywhere, because this is something where you are working with for yourself. You are just keeping the, you know, giving time, everything to yourself. No one is involved in this process with you. Your future energies, Eight of Pentacles, Ace of Cups and the Moon. Because of all this hard work, your hard work will actually pay off in your future. And I'm seeing something new coming up with the Ace of Cups over here. Something new love is coming towards you, which you might not know because it's hidden. This might be somebody from the past which you never know will come back, and you are just busy with yourself and something will come in front of you and things might change, you know. All right, so let's see what is this Three of Pentacles as the overall energy for my Scorpions over here. Three of Pentacles, please. Three of Pentacles. Let's see. Three of Pentacles. The Magician, Knight of Swords, and Eight of Swords. You are manifesting this work towards you. You are manifesting, and you are not here to wait for anyone. You are in this process alone. You are in this process and you are just constantly moving. You are not here to slow down, or you are not here to wait for anyone. You are just going on. You are just moving on, because this is something which you want to do and you are ready for it to do. So no one else can tell you what to do, what not to do. No, you are in this journey alone. So people might try to manipulate you, but it's like, no, it's my journey, so let me just be happy. Let me just move on in my journey alone. Let's see what else. Why the High Priestess is there in the past energies. High Priestess. So Ace of Wands, Queen of Swords, and Two of Swords. Okay, with the High Priestess. So the more the thing was looking very small, the major things were actually going on within, because this was something secretive, because High Priestess also tells us about some secrets and stuff. So there was secret, something else was going on. This might be a relationship in which you were in before, in your past, and all of a sudden you found out something. You found out some secrets, which were because you got this intuition and you actually heard your intuition. You found out the truth, because of the Queen of Swords finding out truth. So you found out and you were like, what the hell is happening over here? So it was really, really just, you were not able to accept that thing. Let's see why the Wheel of Fortune is here in the past energies. Nine of Wands. What else with the Wheel of Fortune, please? Knight of Rods and Wheel of Fortune. For Wheel of Fortune. Okay, Two of Pentacles. So Knight of Rods, Nine of Rods, and Two of Pentacles. Yeah. So this was a scenario where you were busy. You were busy in some other stuff, and you were like, you didn't have time for everything. So all of a sudden, when you put your mind in this thing, in the situation, this might be somebody from your relationship. This is a relationship. I don't know why this is actually coming. This is somebody cheating someone, and you found out this thing all of a sudden. But because you never knew, because of you getting busy always, you were so much, you were balancing your home life, your work life, that you couldn't see the things. But all of a sudden you found out the truth, because it was hidden. It was something of your intuition, something you found, something fishy when we sense it. So some kind of, because it went from a very small issue and it became very big. So you thought that it was not such a big issue. Then you found out the thing, like what exactly must have happened, and then this thing came out in front of you. Then you, in your present, you are working on yourself. I do not need to clarify energies in the present, because the Hermit, Temperance, and the Star, it tells us all that you are silent. You do not want to discuss it with anyone. You are taking time to heal. You are just trying to balance out the things, like what do you want, whether you want this person back or not, whether you want to move on what do you want. So that is why you are working on yourself. You're trying to find the answers within yourself, because you have seen it all, you have dealt with it, and it was not good. So now you are taking time to heal, you are taking time to for the answers. Okay, your future energies, let's see why the Eight of Pentacles is here. Five of Swords, what else? Okay, Four of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, and Judgment. Yes, for you again, you know this thing, because some kind of deception and backstabbing thing happened with you. So you are trying to put efforts, but from your heart it's a no, but your mind is still telling you that okay, just go on, give it one more chance. But it's like it's a no from you, because you are not able to accept this thing, because you are in a process, because all the time which you are actually taking right now in the present, it is actually telling you the exact answers. You are trying to figure out the answers in the present moment, and that is why in the future you are not ready to accept this kind of things. It's really hard for you to accept this thing. Okay, so that is why you are saying no towards this thing. Let's see why the Ace of Cups is here. Four of Wands. Okay, something new is coming up. I'm getting, it's a goodbye to the past energies, and hello to new energies, and hello to the new love. So, because this might be somebody from your work as well, but you are taking time. You are really secretive. You are not going to tell it to anyone. This might be happening with you right now, that you might have found out someone new, and this is that energy over here. This is being secretive. The Moon, the Pisces card. Okay, so this is somebody you are secretive about. You're not telling the truth as well. But you are done with the past energies. I'm getting you are done with all the past people. No, it's a no from you. Okay, so that is all from my side, Scorpios. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.